Hello, my lovely friends. Welcome to today's session. Welcome to Sprint Revision for Class 10 Biology CBSE Term 1 Boards on the chapter Life Processes. And the topic that we'll be covering today is respiration, right, everyone? So, as you know, we've already completed nutrition in our previous session, and in today's session, we are gonna crack respiration. If any question comes from respiration, I'm guaranteeing you'll be able to solve it, right, everyone? So, before that, in case you're unaware about the biology schedule, please have a look at it. We've already completed nutrition on 22nd at 7 p.m. Today is 24th and we're doing respiration. Day after tomorrow, transportation, and 29th excretion. So your board exam is on 2nd of December and I am completing your syllabus till 29. So you still have 30th and 1st to revise, right? Download the session PDFs, please, for your revision. And on 30th, I'll be releasing a practice paper video of biology so that you get practice, right? So do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel so that you can make sure that you are getting all the notifications from time to time and you're not gonna miss even a single session. Okay, everybody? Before starting, we have a positive quote, a motivational quote for motivating us. The quote says, the secret of your future is hidden in your daily routine. Did you understand? The secret of your future, what you will be in the future, will definitely depend on today, whatever you are doing daily. So take small steps, set real targets for you, realistic goals for you, and achieve them on daily basis. This will be more than enough, guys. Okay, so with that motivation, let us get started with the first question on respiration. Which among the following process involves formation of 2-pyruvic acid by the breakdown of one molecule of glucose? What did you understand through this? That basically they're asking you formation of 2-pyruvic acid, clear, from the breakdown of one glucose molecule. What is the formula of glucose? Let me know in the chat. It is C6H12O6. Breakdown of, it breaks it into 2-pyruvic molecules. It means C3 in 1, C3 in 1. Right, everyone? So what should be the answer? Yes, your time's up. Glycolysis. Glycolysis is the process in which the glucose molecule, which is a 6-carbon molecule, breaks down into 2-pyruvic acid molecules having 3 carbon each. Clear? And this happens where? Who's going to tell me? This happens in the cytoplasm. This is an MCQ, so please note it down. In the cytoplasm of cell, and this is common to every organism, whether I talk about aerobic respiration or whether I talk about anaerobic or any of them. In the cytoplasm, glycolysis will take place. Glucose to pyruvate glycolysis, compulsory in cytoplasm. Clear? Amazing. Breakdown of pyruvate using oxygen takes place in cytoplasm, mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, or Golgi apparatus. Where does this happen? That your pyruvate, I'm using oxygen means they are talking about aerobic or not? They are talking about aerobic. So where does this happen? The endoplasmic reticulum and Golgi apparatus are not there. The confusion can be between cytoplasm and mitochondria, right? Because these are the cell organelles with which we don't have any relation in respiration, right? So you know in cytoplasm, glycolysis takes place, right, all of you? And in mitochondria, the breakdown, the actual respiration to release energy in the form of ATP, that takes place in the mitochondria. Remember that. Glycolysis in cytoplasm, breakdown in mitochondria. In aerobic, remember that. Clear? Alright, so now identify the correct label for A, B, and C. So these are some of the labels and you need to identify. So first it's saying glucose. Let me see if you're able to see. Yes, clearly you're able to. Okay. Glucose is a 6-carbon molecule in cytoplasm. It gets converted into a 3-carbon molecule plus some energy is released, right? Now in absence of oxygen, A is there plus carbon dioxide plus energy. So what do you think? Absence of oxygen means anaerobic or not? Anaerobic, definitely. So in anaerobic, you know that lactic acid is not formed, CO2 is not formed, ethanol is formed. So B, C get eliminated or not? Now lack of oxygen in our body gives out lactic acid. So here CO2 is there, your answer comes out to be D. Easy peasy. And in aerobic, we get CO2. CO2 plus water plus energy. What did I say, guys? Anaerobic. What do you get? Ethanol plus CO2 plus energy. Lack of oxygen when we exercise, when we're having a lot of heavy exercise, then this condition takes place, right, everyone? So during that time, you know what happens? This happens. That lactic acid plus energy is formed, and in case of aerobic, CO2 plus water plus energy is formed. All right. Next, lactic acid is a dash carbon molecule. 1, 2, 3, 4. Easy peasy. What do you think? Lactic acid is what? Yes, your time's up. It is a 3 carbon molecule. Remember, 3 carbon molecule. I hope you've understood this one. Fifth, the rate of breathing in fishes is much faster than that seen in humans, because dash in comparison to oxygen present on land. Dissolved oxygen is more in water, dissolved oxygen is less in water, dissolved oxygen is same, none of the above. What do you think should be the answer? Is same? This cannot be the answer. It is definitely different. That is why we are talking about it. Yes or no? Then dissolved oxygen is less in water or more in water. What do you think? Yes, your time's up. Yes. Dissolved oxygen is less in water. So guys, if dissolved oxygen is less in water, the rate of breathing will be faster, so that more oxygen can be sucked inside the body of fish through gills. Understood, everyone? Am I getting the responses? Amazing. Okay, match the following. We have trachea is what, guys? Trachea. Tell me. Let me know in the chat box. Quickly. Yes. So basically, trachea is found between the larynx and bronchi. Between the larynx and bronchi, you get a tube that is called as windpipe also. Windpipe and trachea mean the same. Clear? Nostrils. What are nostrils? Nostrils are something which allow the entry of air in respiratory tract. Clear? Alveoli is the site of gaseous exchange, where gaseous exchange takes place, and pharynx is the common passage for food and air, which then divides into esophagus and trachea. So one should be 3. If one is 3, then B gets eliminated. Yes or no? Yes. B should be 4. And here you're able to see B is 2 eliminated, B is 2 eliminated, so answer becomes C. A is 3, B is 4, C is 2, D is 1. We've discussed everything, right? Now let's have an assertion reason question. Assertion says, in plants, the energy-rich compound produced during respiration, it should be during, let me add a bit. During respiration is ATP, correct? And reason says fish respire through gills. So basically we are able to see that this is a true statement, right? Fish respire through gills, this is also a true statement, but this is talking about plants and this is talking about fish. So I don't think so there is any relation between them. So the answer should be B, that both are true. Individually they are true, but they don't have a relation between them. Correct? Wait a second, how 8 came. Okay, it's okay. A mistake I've done. Plants lack specialized respiratory organs. Okay. Reason says transport of gases occurs at short distances by means of diffusion. What do you think? Quickly. First, let me know if this is true or false. Let me know if this is true or false, and you'll reach till your answer. Got it? Yes, your time's up. Definitely both assertion and reason are true, and reason is the correct explanation, because they are definitely gonna lack specialized organs for respiration, since by the means of diffusion, transport of gases at shorter distances is able to take place. They don't need specialized organs like alveoli, like trachea that humans have. Right, everyone? Okay, now let's have a case study based question. A student was performing an experiment to show that CO2 is given out during respiration. When we exhale, during exhalation or expiration, you can say exhalation or you can even say expiration. Okay, identify the labels A, B and C. What is this? A, what is A, what is B and what is C? We need to label. Can we label? Tell me quickly. Okay. Your time's up and the answer is B. Soaked seed, KOH, conical flask. A are some soaked seeds, okay. B is KOH, potassium hydroxide, which absorbs CO2, and this is a conical flask. Easy. The water rises up in the tube as all the released dash is absorbed by the KOH. So I know KOH absorbs CO2 gas. C is the answer. 11. Which of the following will be the reason if there is no change seen rise of water in tube in the above experiment, even the setup was kept for an hour? A conical flask may not be airtight, the bent tube is not immersed in water, both can be neither here. Easy peasy. What do you think? What is the reason if the experiment is not successful? What can be the reason? And your time's up. Yes, both A and B. Either the conical flask may not be airtight, air is entering there, so we are unable to prove, or the bent tube is not immersed in water, so we are not getting the outcome. Clear? And we are done with all types of questions. A homework question for you. Sure to let me know over here in the comments. Name the energy currency in living beings and when and where they are produced. So you need to let me know what is the energy currency. Pretty easy. And when and where they are produced. I told you during the session also, if you must have concentrated there. Okay, and now we've completed nutrition, respiration. Again, within a short span of 10 minutes, we have completed respiration. Within 10 minutes, we completed nutrition. 20 minutes, two most important chapters. Within 20 minutes, 50% of the chapter has been done. And now transportation and expiration will also be there very soon. Until then, you can revise these topics. Okay. And do like, share and subscribe. Stay subscribed and get all the notifications of the upcoming session. Bye bye. Take care. I hope you enjoyed respiration.